Let's talk about the wonderful benefits of rosemary. Okay, it's an amazing herb. People use it in their food. They use it in their marinades for lamb, pork, chicken, fish. People use it in certain countries in their tea. They put it in their stews, their soups. It's used as a food preservative because it's a very powerful antioxidant. It's even used in cosmetics for your skin and on your hair. In fact, one of the things that can do in an oil, it can stimulate hair growth if you put it right on the scalp, which is actually quite fascinating. It has some really interesting properties, mainly from rosmarinic acid. That's the main phytonutrient that has some really cool effects. It can assist in cognitive decline. In fact, there was a study that showed a significant change when using rosemary to help inhibit your cognitive decline. Also, there's a positive benefit in using this in epilepsy, in pain relief, in infertility, in anxiety. It was even shown that it can help reduce cortisol, which is very cool. It can help with constipation, muscle pain, diabetes. In one study, it showed that it can increase insulin sensitivity and help in weight loss simply because it helps to lower insulin. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory and it is neuroprotective. But if you have insulin resistance, which is very, very common, this is a really good herb to use in your food on a regular basis because it has the potential to increase and assist with making insulin more sensitive. So if you're enjoying my content, which I hope you are, and you're applying this knowledge to your health, and you have a success, I'd really appreciate you sharing your success story. So click the link down below to my website where you can upload your success story so you can help inspire others.